In this video, I will try to rectify a horrendous mistake that I committed in the earlier video on consumption elasticity. Okay, so I will try to rectify that very mistake in this video. The question was given the consumption function is C is equal to A plus BY. C denotes the consumption, A is the autonomous consumption which does not depend upon the level of income, B is the marginal propensity to consume, and Y denotes the income. Here A is greater than 0 and MPC lies between 0 and 1. The consumption function is inelastic when the options are being given us when y is less than a plus b. The second option is by is greater than a plus by. Third option is by is less than a plus by. And last option is y is greater than a plus b. Okay. So let us see what we are being given. We are being given the consumption function is c is equal to a plus by. Okay, so c is here dependent variable, y is the independent variable. Okay, that means our elasticity of consumption, first I will write the formula. So elasticity of consumption will be equal to change in consumption, that means change in dependent variable upon change in independent variable, that is income. Okay, so change in consumption with respect to change in income times income upon consumption. Okay, in the earlier video I have solved I have taken dy upon dc as the derivative, that means change in income with respect to change in consumption, and that was perfectly incorrect. Okay, so I was a little bit confused at that time, so I'm just trying to rectify this very mistake here. Okay, and thanks to the Sophie Hilal Kashmiri that give me that pointed out the mistake in the question that I solved. Okay, so this is our elasticity of consumption formula. Now what we need to do, simple thing, we need to first find out this very derivative, that means change in consumption upon change in income. So taking the derivative of this function with respect to income, derivative of a constant is 0, derivative of y will be here 1 by power function rule, so we are left with b only. Okay, then simply applying using this very concept here, that means this will be equal to, so elasticity of consumption will be equal to, so dc upon dy is b, then we have y upon c, and we are being told to find out the relation when the consumption function is inelastic. When will be the consumption function inelastic? Okay, if ec denotes the elasticity of consumption, if the value of ec is less than 1, we have inelastic of the consumption function will be inelastic when ec is equal to 1, so we will have unit elastic, and when ec is greater than 1, so we will have elastic thing here. Okay, so that means in this question ec should be less than 1 and ec is equal to this b times y upon c, and the value of c is this very function, that is a plus by. It should be less than 1. Okay, now that implies by transposing here, it will get multiplied, so it is like this, a plus by. That means our consumption function will be inelastic when by is less than a plus by. Okay, I hope I make myself clear and I have rectified the earlier mistake that I have committed on this video. Thank you.